Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's making waves in the 3D printing community, the Creality Hyper PLA filament, specifically designed for high-speed printing. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The Creality Hyper PLA is a 1.75mm filament that stands out due to its ability to print at speeds ranging from 30 to an impressive 600 mm per second. This flexibility allows for both high-speed and normal-speed printing without sacrificing quality, making it a versatile choice for various printing needs. One of the standout features of this filament is its high dimensional accuracy, boasting a precision level of plus or minus 0.03 mm. This means you can expect your 3D models to come out with intricate details that are true to your design, which is particularly important for projects requiring precision. What's more, the Creality Hyper PLA offers enhanced toughness compared to traditional PLA. With a tensile strength that surpasses that of ABS, this filament is less likely to break or warp, providing better structural support for your printed models. This resilience is particularly beneficial when creating functional prototypes or parts that will undergo stress. Another impressive aspect of this filament is its high fluidity and fast cooling capabilities. This unique formulation ensures that it melts and extrudes easily, which is crucial for high-speed printing. The quick cooling feature allows your prints to solidify rapidly, reducing the risk of deformation and ensuring that even fast prints maintain their integrity. Who is this filament suitable for? The Creality Hyper PLA is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals who are looking to push the boundaries of their 3D printing projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this filament offers a user-friendly experience that can elevate your printing game. You might wonder about practical use cases for this filament. Given its strength and accuracy, it's ideal for creating detailed miniatures, functional prototypes, and large parts that require stability. It's also a great choice for those looking to experiment with high-speed printing, allowing for faster project turnaround times without compromising quality. The Creality Hyper PLA is widely compatible with many popular 3D printers, including models from Creality like the K1 and Ender 5S1, as well as machines from brands like Anycubic, Elegoo, and Prusa. This broad compatibility means you can easily integrate this filament into your existing setup, making it a convenient choice for any 3D printing enthusiast. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that the filament comes with a neat winding process, ensuring quality for long printing sessions and minimizing the risk of tangles or jams during use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't